5L Home Oxygen Concentrator furnishes the comfort of knowing that you'll never have to worry about being without oxygen because your tank service was delayed or that your oxygen saturation will fall below safe levels. It will keep you safe, comfortable, and living the full and independent life that you've always enjoyed. The Rhythm Home Unit is a great choice for those with sleep apnea as well as COPD or other pulmonary conditions. The 5L offers precise settings from 0.5 liters per minute up to 5 liters per minute to maintain accurate oxygen titration. It is a continuous flow unit and therefore is compatible with CPAP and BiPAP devices. The easy-to-see oxygen level indicator features large, bold type so that you can easily see your setting. The control dial was designed with those with limited dexterity in mind. It's substantial and easy to turn and adjust. The concentrator is self-monitoring and will show you at a glance what oxygen purity level is being administered using 3 indicator lights on the front of the machine. Keep in mind that the machine takes a few moments to warm up, so it's not unusual for the light to take a few seconds to change to green. This concentrator weighs just over 35 pounds, but rolls very agilely on 4 durable casters, so you can transport it from room to room or even out onto a front porch or patio. It's well balanced and can easily be rolled using the sturdy handle molded onto the top of the device. With its modest footprint and sleek styling, it will blend subtly into any home. The Rhythm measures just 13 inches wide by 10.3 inches deep by 21.3 inches high. One of the main concerns that oxygen users have is that their oxygen device is going to disrupt their sleep or disturb their partner. However, the Rhythm Home Unit features quiet operation as well as advanced heat dissipation. The sound level is rated at just under 50 decibels, which is about the same as a steady rainfall, or slightly louder than birdsong, which is rated about 44 decibels. The manufacturer suggests that tube extensions should not exceed 49 feet, but it still can be used with extra long tubing so that the user can place the unit out in the hall or in a closet for even quieter operation or to prevent the machine from making the room any warmer. The Rhythm stationary concentrator requires very little maintenance. Every few days, rinse out the particle filter located on the side of the machine with soap and warm water. Rinse it more often if you've been ill or if you live with pets. You must allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling, so it's a good idea to have a few on hand that you can rotate through. When using any concentrator, it's important to make sure that the heat exhaust vents are away from the wall or furniture so heat can properly dissipate to prevent overheating. This device has a safety feature that will automatically alarm when the machine gets hot so that you can check the ventilation or move it to a cooler area. If the machine does get to an unsafe temperature, it will automatically shut down to maintain the longevity of the sieve beds and protect the compressor from damage. It also has its own circuit breaker to guard against power surges. If a power surge does occur and the machine shuts down, you can easily re-engage the breaker and simply turn it back on. And with the cost of utilities always rising, the Rhythm 5L Home Unit was made with maximum efficiency in mind. It's extremely economical to use. It comes with a sturdy AC power cord that can plug into any standard wall outlet. Oxygen use can often dry out nasal passages in drier climates. To make it more comfortable, you may want to add a humidifier bottle. It quickly and easily hooks onto the front of the machine and provides moisture as you breathe. You can use the humidifier all the time or just during the night if you wish. If you've been prescribed oxygen, please don't wait. Experiencing low oxygen levels on a regular basis can cause permanent damage to cells and organs, including heart, lungs, or even the brain. The Rhythm 5L Home Concentrator is an important investment in your health and essential for proper management of your respiratory condition. Some oxygen users opt for a stationary unit that they can use at home and also a companion portable unit so they can have the flexibility to travel, run errands, and just live free and independent lives. As with anything, bundling purchases will net you the most savings. Rhythm stationary and portable concentrators are exclusively available from select oxygen distributors. As a preferred dealer, we not only have priority for inventory, but we are also on a select pricing tier and we can pass that savings on to you, our customers. We try to offer as many solutions as we can for our patients to obtain a concentrator. We have financing partners for package deals with easy approval criteria. They can usually finance with zero down and very low monthly payments. They'll take your application right over the phone and usually can give you a quick approval. We also have Medicare partners who can help you figure out if you're eligible to use your Medicare benefits to get a concentrator. They'll calculate what, if any, benefits are available to you and even wade through all the confusing paperwork for you. They'll even fill it out and submit it on your behalf. You can also shop with confidence knowing that any concentrator purchased from us comes with lifetime free phone tech support. If an issue does arise or you have a question about operating your device, just call the toll-free number and one of our technicians will walk you through troubleshooting and help you arrange to have your machine sent in for service if necessary. The Rhythm 5L also comes with a 3-year worry-free warranty. You can visit us online at www.lptmedical.com or give us a call at 1-800-946-1201 to speak to one of our oxygen specialists. They can help you figure out which concentrator best suits your needs and put you in touch with our finance or Medicare partners if necessary.